Beautiful cedarwood creations. Unique handmade and DIY ideas. Cedarwood has long been a prized material for woodworking due to its beauty, durability, and aromatic qualities. Known for its warm, reddish-brown color, distinct grain patterns, and resistance to rot and insects, cedarwood is a versatile and timeless material used in a variety of unique handmade and DIY projects. From furniture and decor to storage solutions and personal items, cedarwood's natural properties make it an excellent choice for creating beautiful, functional, and long-lasting pieces. Cedarwood is not just known for its striking appearance, but also for its wonderful scent. The fragrance is often described as fresh, woodsy, and soothing, which makes cedar an ideal choice for creating items intended for indoor spaces. The aroma is naturally repellent to moths and other insects, which is why cedarwood is often used for closets and storage boxes, helping to preserve clothes, linens, and other precious items. One of the most beloved characteristics of cedar wood is its unique rich reddish-brown color, which deepens over time into a more rustic tone. The grain of cedar is often straight, but you may find some pieces with a more wavy or swirling pattern. This gives each piece made from cedar a distinct, one-of-a-kind appearance. The wood is relatively soft compared to hardwoods like oak or maple, which makes it easier to work with, whether you're carving intricate designs or building larger projects. Cedarwood is perfect for crafting rustic furniture pieces that have a warm, inviting feel. A handcrafted cedarwood coffee table is a stunning focal point for any living room. The wood's natural beauty can be showcased with simple, clean lines or emphasized with a more rustic, live-edge design. Whether you choose to leave the grain visible or stain it to enhance its natural tones, a cedar coffee table is sure to bring a cozy, natural touch to any room. The distinctive scent of cedar also adds a layer of comfort and warmth, making the living space feel homier. Another great example of cedar wood's versatility is the creation of wooden shelves and bookcases. Cedar's lightness and strength make it an excellent choice for shelving units that are both sturdy and visually appealing. Imagine installing floating cedar shelves along a wall to display books, plants, or decorative items. The wood's fine texture and unique color complement both modern and rustic interiors, making it a versatile option for various design styles. A cedar shelf is not just functional, it can also serve as an elegant statement piece. Cedarwood's ability to withstand the elements makes it a fantastic material for outdoor furniture and structures. Building a cedarwood garden bench can bring a sense of tranquility and elegance to any backyard or patio space. Whether it's a simple bench or one with intricate carvings, cedar's natural resistance to moisture and decay makes it a reliable material for outdoor furniture that will stand the test of time. Over time, the weathering process only enhances cedar's rustic charm, giving it a weathered silver-gray patina that many find appealing. For those looking to create more decorative wooden items, cedar is an ideal material for carving and crafting intricate pieces. A hand-carved cedarwood bowl, for instance, is both beautiful and functional. The smooth texture of cedar makes it easy to carve, and its rich color gives any carved piece an elegant and sophisticated look. Whether it's a decorative fruit bowl for your kitchen or a smaller, detailed bowl for holding jewelry or trinkets, the scent and appearance of cedar would elevate the craftsmanship. If you enjoy creating personalized gifts, cedar is an excellent choice for crafting unique, meaningful items. A cedarwood cutting board or serving tray can be customized with names, initials, or even intricate designs, making them perfect for weddings, anniversaries, or housewarming gifts. Cedar's durability and ease of cleaning make it an ideal choice for kitchen items. Plus, its natural resistance to bacteria and fungi makes it a hygienic material for food preparation. One of the most creative ways to use cedar wood is by making decorative cedarwood signs. These signs are not just for businesses, but also for homes, cabins, and cottages. Whether you're carving out family names, inspirational quotes, or even custom graphics, cedar's softness makes it easy to engrave detailed designs. A cedarwood sign can be hung on a front porch, in the garden, or inside your home to add a rustic, personalized touch. The natural tones of cedar give the sign a timeless, elegant look that only gets better with age. For those interested in more functional woodworking projects, cedar is also great for building storage boxes and organizers. Cedar's insect-repelling qualities make it perfect for creating storage solutions for clothing, linens, and even shoes. A cedarwood hope chest is a wonderful example of this. These chests have been used for generations as a place to store valuable keepsakes, clothing, or family heirlooms. Not only does the cedar protect your belongings from pests, but the wood's beauty and rich fragrance make it a timeless addition to any home. Another popular DIY project using cedar wood is the creation of cedar wood coasters. Perfect for protecting your furniture while adding a touch of rustic elegance to your home, cedar coasters are both practical and decorative. You can either leave the coasters in their natural state, showing off the beautiful grain of the wood, or stain them to match your home decor. Adding a little custom engraving or decoration on the coasters can also turn them into unique gifts for friends and family. For the craftsman interested in small-scale projects, cedar wood is also an excellent choice for wooden jewelry. Whether you're making a necklace, bracelet, or pair of earrings, cedar's lightness and ease of carving make it an ideal material for creating intricate, wearable art. The subtle yet rich color of cedar gives these pieces a warm, earthy look that pairs perfectly with various metals or natural fibers. Cedar wood is also a fantastic option for creating decorative wall hangings. Whether you're looking to add a touch of rustic charm to a living room, entryway, or even a bathroom, a cedar wall hanging can provide both style and function. Imagine a wooden clock made from cedar or a geometric wall art piece that highlights the wood's natural grain. A piece like this can easily become a conversation starter, as it brings nature into your space in a sophisticated and timeless way. Cedar wood's aesthetic appeal extends beyond just furniture and large pieces. It's also perfect for crafting rustic decor, including wooden candle holders, picture frames, and even wall mirrors. The natural beauty of cedar adds a unique, earthy touch to any space, enhancing both minimalist and eclectic styles. Imagine a cedar wood picture frame framing your most cherished family photos or favorite pieces of artwork, bringing a rustic and organic look that elevates the entire room. The versatility of cedar ensures that it fits seamlessly into any design theme. Whether you're aiming for a warm, cozy cabin feel or a more contemporary, natural vibe, cedar complements every type of decor, offering a timeless, rustic charm that never goes out of style. Its rich, golden hue and delicate grain patterns create a sophisticated yet inviting atmosphere, making it a popular choice for adding character and warmth to living rooms, bedrooms, or even entryways. In conclusion, cedar wood is an exceptional material that combines beauty, durability, and functionality. From crafting custom furniture and decor to creating personalized gifts and practical storage solutions, cedar's natural properties and aesthetic qualities make it an ideal choice for both professional woodworkers and DIY enthusiasts. Whether you're drawn to its distinctive aromatic scent, its smooth, soft texture, or its rich, warm color, cedar wood offers endless possibilities for creating unique, handcrafted pieces that will last for generations. By incorporating cedar into your woodworking projects, you're not simply working with a material. You're embracing the timeless beauty of nature and adding a lasting piece of craftsmanship to your home. Cedar's ability to create elegant and functional pieces ensures that every project will be a cherished addition to your living space, infusing it with both the charm of nature and the skillful artistry of craftsmanship.